Hello. If you're looking at getting involved with affiliate marketing, you might be wondering to yourself, is affiliate marketing saturated? Is it the end of the road if you want to start an affiliate marketing business? And welcome to this video because I'm going to share with you some interesting things about affiliate marketing business models that will help you see this business model in a different light, and you can see the potential that is available, especially if you are looking at making money online and you are not so much looking to get involved with a heap of expenses as normally can be seen with cases like having your very own franchise or even starting a traditional brick and mortar enterprise. So, welcome to this video. My name is Rupesh, and if it's your first time here, then this channel, Passive Income for All, is all about showing you the best ways to getting started and making money online. So, if it's your first time here, once again, a warm welcome, and go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you want to learn on how you can get started with your very own online business, then feel free to check out my number one recommendation. Just go ahead and click on the link that is below this video. So, affiliate marketing is a $1 billion industry. According to Statista, affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and spending in the US alone is expected to reach over $8 billion by 2022, and this is more than triple than what it was just 10 years earlier when it took off. This trend shows that affiliate marketing will likely continue to thrive in 2021 going forward. And I'm sure that you will agree with me now that that is some amazing statistics. I mean, 10 years ago, now where we are right now, the affiliate marketing industry has tripled. And by 2022, which is just around the corner, it would have crossed the $8 billion mark. And it's going to grow from there going forward. So it's definitely a viable model to get involved. And if you're not convinced, then take a look at these other attractive points. The first one is that there are 4.75 billion people that are coming within the online space, shopping on a regular basis. Now, 4.75 billion people, that's a lot of people. Now, there's not even 25% of affiliate marketers to cater for that amount of people. And not only that, some countries, as we speak, are just coming now onto the online space and only now grasping the concept of starting an online business. Forget affiliate marketing. And I'm not sure where you are in the world right now, but if you had to ask some of your friends or family, hey, have you heard of affiliate marketing? Some of them will even say, no, I don't even know what that is. And that's why I say it's a term that even though it has experienced an amazing growth over the last few years, it's still a model that you can capitalize on. Some other attractive points: there are tons of companies that are offering affiliate programs. And it makes sense because they don't have to pay for the marketing, because as an affiliate marketer, your job is to bring the client to them and they will pay you a commission once a successful transaction takes place. And if you look at all the big companies, every single one of them has got an affiliate program. And the last attractive point about it is you can choose from thousands of niche. Look, there are three big niches, which is the make money online niche, then it's the weight loss niche, and it's a dating niche. But there's so many other niche. For example, the travel industry. You can go into the music industry. You can also teach people on how to maybe play the guitar or football snack helmets. It's really a huge industry for you to get involved in. Now the big question comes, okay, if it's such a big industry, then why are some affiliate marketers still failing? And that's what I'm going to talk to you about next. So there are many people who come into the online spaces and they are ready to put in the time and the effort to learning how to make money online. They're ready to start learning. They just need someone to point them in the right direction. And this is where the problem comes, where they may be unfortunately confronted with courses that offer misleading or very little information. Some of these mediocre courses, they can give you the rundown of affiliate marketing perfectly from start right up to the end. So in theory, you know exactly what the business model is all about. But when it comes to executing what is going on, then they're either asking you for an upsell or it becomes so expensive for you to carry on, and in some cases they may even rehash from other courses to put into one bundle, so you end up getting confused about how to really get started with affiliate marketing. Some other courses, they will teach you the weak traffic methods to getting uh, visitors to your business. At the end of the day, traffic is, of course, the lifeline to your business. And if you learn these weak traffic methods, then you're going to probably say, you know what? Affiliate marketing doesn't work, it's a scam. And you're going to be put off by the whole idea on affiliate marketing. When it actually does work, we just need someone to show you the right traffic methods. And then there are some legit platforms out there that get straight into teaching you about using ads, paid advertising. And while this is certainly an extremely viable method to making money online, it's a skill that you need to learn. And I'll be honest with you, I, as an affiliate marketer, make my money with organic traffic. Organic traffic is free traffic using social media, using SEO, blogging, and so forth. And I would personally recommend first learning those methods before you go into paid advertising. Remember, with paid advertising, you have to pay to play. And sometimes you can burn up a lot of cash if you don't know what it is that you're doing. So now, what is the right way to starting a solid affiliate marketing business? Now, learning affiliate marketing the right way would mean that you would need to sign up to the right teaching platform. Now, when you sign up to the right teaching platform, they will teach you how to build a business in any niche, whether it's the competitive niche or the non-competitive niche. A lot of people might say to you, you know what, you need to stay away from a competitive niche. And I don't particularly agree with this because, I mean, if you really look at it, if it's a competitive niche, that means a lot of people in that niche. That means there's a lot of demand for the product or the demand for the service. And remember what we talked about earlier on, 4.75 billion people. There's enough for everybody to go around. You just need a small percentage of that pie. So that's one of the main criteria, obviously, of a good teaching platform. And a good teaching platform should teach you on how to build a solid business that is both product proof and social media safe. Now, those two terms I just came up as I created it on my own as I was writing the script for this video. What do I mean when I say must be product proof? Okay, so you already got your entire conversion machine built for your affiliate marketing business. You've got your sales page, you've got your funnels in place, you've got your email autoresponder, everything is in place. But now there's one thing that can potentially happen to your business, and that is whatever product you're promoting. Remember, you don't own that product, so the owner can maybe one day decide he wants to take it off the market. So where does it leave you? And this is why I say your business needs to be product proof, because it needs to be built in such a way that if the product is stopped or discontinued or the owner just decides to take it off the market, then you can simply just put another product in place without having to change anything else of your business model. Does that make sense? So all you have to maybe do is maybe do another product review, obviously change the affiliate links in your communication with your customers, and your business just runs as normal. Remember, the traffic is still coming in. And then the second part of your business, when I say it must be social media safe doesn't mean that your business is going to be attacked by social media. Well, that can happen. But when I say social media safe, remember, there is a very huge possibility that if you're going to get involved with starting an online business, you're going to get involved with starting to use social media. And whichever social media you use, whether it's TikTok, you can use Pinterest, like how I'm using YouTube. At the end of the day, whichever social media platform you're going to utilize, you're not in control in any of them. So at any day, you can maybe make a video and maybe it can violate the social media's guidelines or policies, and they'll shut down your account. And what happens? You depending so heavily on all those followers, and now all those followers are just gone. And that's why your business needs to be social media safe, and it needs to be built in such a way where you have contact with your followers. And the best way is, of course, to get their details. Now, this brings us to the next important part of a good teaching platform. They must teach you on how to go about building a relationship with your clients. Because at the end of the day, you're not selling to robots. You are selling to people. And people need to know you, they need to like you, they need to trust you. And the only way you can do that is by building a relationship with them, by keeping in touch with them. And this is why it's so important to have relationship building as part of your business model. And of course, you need the tools which will come with it. If it's a solid teaching platform, the tools are going to come automatically to it. And then the last part to any teaching platform, which I'm sure you might have guessed, is action. You need to take action. You just need to be consistent and just follow whatever it is that they're teaching, and then you will be a successful online entrepreneur. So is affiliate marketing saturated? I showed you in the beginning of the video that it's not. I've also showed you why some people fail in affiliate marketing, and I showed you what you need to do to become a success within the affiliate marketing arena. So if you're ready to get started with building your very own online business, check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link that is below this video and you can get to learn more. So thanks for checking out this video. It was so awesome to speak to you today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful or you feel it will help somebody else, then go ahead and share it with your family or friends or whoever you think will benefit from this video. Once again, I invite you to check out my #1 recommendation, where you can take a challenge to get started within the online space and see if it is for you or not. Thanks once again, and I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.